Happy birthday ANAIRA. May God bless you. देवान तुझे जायते बेसांव घालूं आनी तुका राखूं सांबाळूं आनी तुका जाय तें तुगे लायफान तुका दिवं हांव देवाको इतलें मागोतां आनी आय एम सो हॅपी टू बी युअर डॅड एंड आय लव यू ऑलवेज एंड सदांकाल बरो गुणान वाड आनी डाडा मामा नांव वयर काड आय एम प्रावड ऑफ यू आयज जी आमी यूट्यूबार येयलाय आनी लोकां मदें आहाय ती इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू बिकॉज यू स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी एंड यू जस्ट took us into this, to be a part of this journey. And thank you so much and God bless you and Dada loves you a lot. Okay, happy birthday again. Okay,
Happy birthday, ANAIRA. Many happy returns of the day. My darling daughter, my princess, my doll, my heartbeat. Mama gave sogle. May God bless you. देवान तुजे जायती बेसांवां घालूं तुका राखूं तुका सांबाळूं आनी सगळें दुयेंस पिडा पयस करूं एंड ऑल्सो हॅपी बर्थडे टू द फाउंडर ऑफ this YouTube channel, the Goan Grace family. ANAIRA, all channels apa paolo fokot tuk lagon because you are my strong baby. Because तुगेले बिलीव्स आनी तुका तुजे ट्रस्ट आनी जे उर्बा आनी जे तुका तुजे फेथ आहा न्हू तो आयज हो चॅनल तुवें क्रिएट केला ओके यू आर द फाउंडर ऑफ द गोवन ग्रेस फॅमिली एंड आय एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू ANAIRA. हांवें केन्ना चिंतूं ना की वन डे आमी एश को व्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट कोतोली इट वॉज युअर बिलीफ की तुवें सांगिल्लें म्हाका एक दीस चल मामा आम व्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करया एंड आय वॉज नॉट 100% श्युअर बट हांवें तें आय सॉ दॅट फायर इन यू हांवें चोयलें की येस तुका कित कोरपा जायें एंड आय एम हॅपी की हांवें तुका सपोर्ट दिलो दाडान तुका सपोर्ट दिलो तुगे भयणीन तुका सपोर्ट दिलो अलियान आनी तुवें तो चॅनल स्टार्ट केलो आनी आयज तुका इतलो लोक तूं कितू एप्रिशिएट कोता तुका कितू ब्लेसिंग्स दिता तूं कितू मोग कोता यू नो वाय कित्या तुका हो लोक इतू एप्रिशिएट कोता बिकॉज यू आर अ स्मार्ट स्ट्रॉंग एंड टॅलंटेड गर्ल ओके आनी हांव सोद्दां मागतलें देवा कडेन की तुका एशिको स्ट्रॉंग दवरूं आनी तेशिको तो फायर व्लॉग्स करपाक आनी जेदोणा हांवूय बी केन्ना एश कोन्न डावन फील कोता म्हाका व्लॉग केन्ना करपा दिसनाय इट इज यू हू म्हाका सांगता मामा चल व्लॉग कर कित्या आयज तुवें व्लॉग गायलो ना चल कर सो येस आय एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू मामा दादा आलू आय एम सो proud and I am a lucky mother to have you as my daughter. देवाका सोद्दां रोजार कोता आसता म्हणटा थँक यू की म्हाका ANAIRA दिल म्हूण आनी अलिया दोगांय एंड नॉट ओन्ली व्लॉग्स हांव जाणा व्लॉग्साकू न्हू इवन इन युअर स्टडीज यू आर वेरी गूड आनी हांव जाणा तूं सोद्दांच एशिको रावतलें आनी सगल्यांक कोणू जावं तो व्हडलो जावं तो धाकटो जावं तो सगल्यांक विथ रिस्पेक्ट तूं सगल्यांक ट्रीट कोतो म्हूण हांव जाणा म्हाका तुजेर जायतो विस्वास आहा आनी तूं सोद्दांच तुगे मामा दाडा गेले आनी तुगे नानी गेले नानागे नांव वयर दोतो म्हूण हांव जाणा आनी हांव तुका मागोता ओके वी आर ऑल प्राउड ऑफ यू आनी शिकोन बोर भाशेन रीत देखीन देव बिरांतीन बरें कोन्न वाड मोतू हांव मागोता एंड Yes, we love you. We love you a lot, ANAIRA. God bless you, baby. Mama loves you. And धाकटें शें कांतार मोट्टू गांव. Okay, बद्याचें. धाकटें शें. Okay? Solmaco dis tuzo. Solmaco dis tuzo. Hason kelon sodat satso. Zolmaco dis tuzo. Love you, baby. Happy birthday once again. Mwah. Mama, Dada, and Alu loves you lots. God bless you. Mwah.
Anu, you are my angel. You my love sister. Anu, did I love you? Abba, just bless my Anu. You my princess Didi. Zayda ke sister. Happy birthday, Anu Didi. Birthday, Anu. Happy birthday, Anu. Happy birthday, Anu. Happy birthday, Anu. Anu, love you. Anu, love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear ANAIRA. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. This to Jazol Mato. This ode kosheto. Happy birthday, म्हणून उगडास करता तुझो. स्वर्गार कोरांजाचो साद घालता गायनाचो. संसार 4 दिसांचो आसन केलोन सारचो. जल्माचो दीस तुजो. जल्माचो दीस तुजो. जल्माचो दीस तुजो, dear. Zolmaco dís tuzo. Happy birthday, ANAIRA, my sweetheart.
May God bless you.
May the Almighty shower His chosen blessings upon you and keep you always happy, healthy, and peaceful. Love you.
Love you, ANAIRA. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. God bless you.
Happy birthday, my loving sister ANAIRA. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happiest birthday to my best friend and my darling sister. I love you and I miss you on your birthday. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nushi. May God bless you with a lot of love, happiness, and health. I miss you so much. You're always in my thoughts and my prayers. Begin me I do my show, okay? I love you so much.
Hi, Anu. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you abundantly and shower you with His special blessings today and always.
Hi, ANAIRA baby. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. May God bless you. You have many more birthdays. Yeah. God bless you.
God bless and wishes from the family also and from our Maze.
Happy birthday to you. This to Jazol Mazo. This will kushito. Happy birthday, Manon. Ugdas kutan tuzo. Solmato dis tuzo. soul, one soul, these two souls. Son kailan sodan santo. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, baby.
Hi, baby ANAIRA. Wishing you a very happy birthday. And Chadwick will sing a song for you, okay? Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sister. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Naira. May God bless you. Lots of love. We miss you. Come back soon. Love you. Baba Chadwick is waiting for you. See you. Hi, Naira baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my baby Naira. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you abundantly, and we miss you on this special day. Lots of love. Kisses to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear ANAIRA. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. May God bless you. May all your dreams come true. And may you shine like a star always. Lots of love and wishes from D&J, Goans in UK. We love you. Enjoy your birthday. Bye. Say bye to ANAIRA. Bye. Happy birthday to you.
वेट अनायरा जाल ना इतले न्हू आनी जायते हाय ओके ऑल योर वेल विशेस आनी आमगेली लविंग ग्रेस फॅमिली तुका विश करपा सोदिता सो वेट आनी एन्जॉय.
Happy birthday, ANAIRA. May all your dreams come true and keep making videos. Stay amazing. Love you.
Hi, Naira. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Have a blessed birthday from Gracious Family UK. Happy birthday, Naira. God bless you. Happy birthday, Naira. How are you? My name is Elizad Jimelo. I'm from Norway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Naira. How are you? Bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to ANAIRA. Happy birthday you. Happy birthday, ANAIRA.
Happy birthday, Naira. God bless you. Happy birthday, Naira. God bless you. Happy birthday, Naira. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Naira. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. Happy birthday. God bless you to you. Happy birthday, Naira. God bless you and we love you. Happy birthday, Naira. God bless you. Mwah. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. God bless you. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Anu Dile.
Happy birthday, ANAIRA. May God bless you with good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, ANAIRA. Happy birthday, ANAIRA. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, ANAIRA.
Hi, ANAIRA. Anaira, this is Shielda wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you always and may you always grow in grace. Have a great day.
Happy birthday to the super talented, bright, and grateful little star Naira. Wishing you lots of happiness, laughter, and fun on your special day. May you keep shining in everything you do, your studies, your amazing videos, and all your adventures ahead. Keep spreading smiles and positivity through your YouTube vlogs and Insta reels. And may all your dreams come true as you grow into an even more wonderful person. God bless you. Lots of love, kisses and hugs to you.
Hi Grace family, happy birthday to baby Anaira.
Happy
Lots of love.
Lots of love. I love you.
Hi Anaira, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Anaira. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Anaira. Take care darling. God bless you. May God bless you with all the happiness in your life and success in your life. Keep rising, keep shining, and hope to see you soon someday. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your birthday darling. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, baby Anaira. God bless you and we love you.
Happy birthday Anaira. May God bless you and keep you safe always. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Anaira. May God bless you with lots of love and good health and be a good girl.
Hi Anaira. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Have a nice day and all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Anaira. May God bless you today and always. Dear Anaira, may God shower His countless blessings on you. Love you.
Hey Anaira, wishing you a very happy birthday, Anaira. May God bless you and सदां देवान तुझे आशीर्वादान भरून आणि तुझे शिकपाचेर बसून सदांच आशीर्वाद घालून देवान तुका सदांच मोगान वाडोवं आनी मामा दादा भयणी सदांच मोगान रावप आनी म्हाका लायक तुजो ब्लॉग पळोवपाक बरें काय बरें मोगान आनी एक्टीव आसता ब्लॉगार सदां तेंच राव चल बाय बाय हॅव अ लवली डे Anaira from Goan Ranita.
Hi princess, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you abundantly and may all your dreams come true and may you have a bright future. I have something special for you. This is for you. Zolmazo dis eis beide so, dis wore koshezo. Lambau que tu kaunde tão, kawon ke kitso kurko. Lambau que tu kaunde tão, kawon ke kitso kurko. Thank you.
Happy birthday Anaira. May God bless you. Lots of love from Severina auntie.
Happy birthday, Anaira baby. May God bless you always and all your dreams come true. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Anaira. God bless you.
Anaira, wish you happy birthday and God bless you. आणि देवान तुजी सगळीं स्वप्नां पुरी केल्या प्रमो आमकां.
Happy birthday Anaira. May God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Wishing you happy birthday Anaira. May God bless you and may God shower you with lot of blessings and enjoy your day. We love your YouTube family.
हिंगासो एंड जायना आनी तुका जायत्यो फ्लड्स एंड फ्लड्स ऑफ मेसेजीस येयल्याय ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आनी म्हाका मेलूय बी येयलो हाय जायत्यो मेसेजीस तुका बर्थडे विश करपाक. So on behalf of ANAIRA, I thank you everyone. एकल्यान time घेवन आमकां मेसेजीस धाडल्यो ANAIRA विश करपाक, तेका विडियोज काडले, शॉर्ट विडियोज. तुमगेलो बिजी शेड्यूल आसता, ओदो जाणांगेले तुम टायम घेवन विडियोज धाडले and I know ANAIRA हॅप्पी आसतलेंच. तुम तेगे रिएक्शन नेक्स्ट व्लॉगां चोयतली. So thank you everyone for blessing her, for showering with lots and lots of messages and wishes. God bless you all. Bye.